My name is Jonathan Whitener. I am from Los Angeles, California. My restaurant's called Here's Looking at You. I'm going to be taking a tour of Austin with Chef Callie Speer.
I'm the chef owner of Holy Roller in Austin, Texas. I love being a chef in Austin because people here are very receptive to the whimsy, the wildness, the things that are sort of bigger than their imaginations. What do you mean, cool? So I figured we'd come and grab a coffee this morning before we get started for the day at Saten. It's this small, quirky little Japanese-style coffee shop, and they're super known for these open-faced sandwiches. The Noritama. This is the one I like to order every time I come in.
They use a Japanese milk though.
You gotta get the cheese pull, man.
I like how the egg salt's like sunken into the bread.
The bread's like bouncy. It's like a dead giveaway to how much coffee I've drank. Do you see my hand shaking? Via 313 is a Detroit-style pizza place. The guys that own it are originally from Detroit, and they really just wanted to create something that they missed from home. This is my personal favorite. It's called the Cadillac, and it's a thing of dreams. Fig preserved prosciutto, balsamic production, and a whole lot of cheese.
Wow, there's so many textures going on. I like how there's a good chew to it. I don't usually go for things that have like fig and balsamic on it, but it's so good.
And then the crust.
The cheese caramelizes on the sides like that. That is the best part of this thing.
They cook it in like a tall pan and they put all this cheese on the top of it so it gets all crunchy, cheesy, crispy.
I could just eat the crust with cheese all day.
Totally. You can't compare this to anything else. Welcome to my crazy house. Holy Roller. This was sort of a place where all of our little weird ideas could come to life. Just casual, laid-back, brunch all day, diner-style food. This is something that I literally eat every day. It's our yellow cake pancakes topped with blackberries and blackberry soft serve.
It tastes like a box cake. That's awesome.
And then this, it's called the Local. It's a biscuit with chopped brisket, the soft scrambled egg, white cheddar, and some fresh shaved green apple.
That thing looks intense. You can't pick it up and eat it like a sandwich,
No,
right?
I mean, you can try. It's like a mess. These guys have like this quintessential Austin coolness. Kimura Tatsuya. And amazing Japanese smokehouse, sort of like Texas barbecue meets izakaya. There's nothing like it. It's like a true Texas barbecue patio with these community tables and the misters. It's like hot and gross, but that's kind of part of the appeal. This is Tatsu and Taco, the masterminds behind Kimura.
What we have here is skimming ramen, but Texas style. We add some chopped brisket, smoke the bones before the broth gets made.
It's a really thick broth that you dip your noodles in.
And then just slurp away.
It's like if Austin, Texas, and a side street in Tokyo had a baby together, it'd be like, this is what came out of it. It's awesome.
We are now in downtown Austin on Red River, which is like the epicenter for all live music.
There's just venues everywhere.
Everywhere. As far as live music goes, there's no place better than the Mohawk. We're gonna come in and see what we have going on tonight. The live music scene in Austin is so prevalent, and it really allows the culinary scene here to be even more wild and even more creative with what we're doing.
The nightlife and everything in the city is literally the soul of Austin. It's music and food.
Austin's an incredible travel destination, and there's really everything you can think of to do here.
Just the cool people, fun bars, the vibes. It's worth coming here, hanging out, and eating around the city.